Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to recover your deleted text message or deleted any message on Android phone. Don't skip this video. Please see full video and get your problem solution, and please subscribe our channel. We know our text message or any message is very important because many personal messages in our inbox. But sometimes our phone message, inbox message or any messages unconsciously deleted. So we need that important text message recover or register or retrieve. So let's see how do that. First of all, go to your Play Store. Here you can see Play Store. Open it and search Super Backup and Restore. Super Backup and Restore app. Here you can see Super Backup and Restore app. Please install it. Open it. Open it. Okay, please. Back, and here you can see SMS. Open it. Allow please. Then again click on it. Allow please. Allow. Here you can see many option: backup all, backup conversation, register, view backups, send to cloud, delete backups, delete all messages. So I need backup conversation and backup all conversation. Here you can see backup all conversation and backup all message, deleted message, and backup all recover message. Click on it, and here you can see and save your name. Okay, please. And easily recover your deleted message. And minimize this app and go to your My Files. Open it. Here you can see internal storage. Click on it and find. Here you can see. Open it. Here you can see SMS backup. Open it. Here you can see you recover or restore all deleted messages. Thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel. Here you can see you recover all deleted messages and you restore all deleted text messages, any message. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.